Hello everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a good day. Now last Friday I put up on Instagram a photo of a DIY that I did and you guys seem to like it a lot. So I thought I would share with you how I did it. First of all, let me show you what I'm talking about. I am talking about this stack of books with our names on it, so personalized. Now I firstly came across that in, I think it was Lauren Midgley's, I think that's her name, her channel. She's mainly a cleaning channel, but I spotted these on one of her shelves and she mentioned that she got them from Etsy. And I thought, that looks pretty easy to do. Obviously, I'm not saying that it's as well made as the one she bought from a professional, but I thought I would have a crack and I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to tell you the supplies I've used. The first thing I've used is A4 white card. This is from Poundland. I actually had this in Alex's stash of arts and crafts, so you can buy that for £1. I also used this rope, which I got from the works. I think I paid £2 for this. And the other thing I used was an alphabet ink stamps. This is what they look like. I already had these. I bought these a couple of years ago, I think probably from Amazon. I'll try and find them and link them below. We bought them to use in my husband's business. You know, the artwork that he does is personalized and we thought this would be a good option. As it turns out, we've not used them for that, but I've used them a couple of times for different crafts. And I think it's a good thing to have. I actually had a quick look on the Works website and they have a set for £4. So, and then once you have them, you can use them. But I thought as well, I should tell you that you could possibly use like little wooden letters. That would look quite cute as well. Or even stickers. And you can get all of that from Poundland. I'm sure that years ago, I used to have a stamp set from Poundland as well. So it might be an option that you can quickly find the stuff that you need if you don't already have it at home from Poundland. And obviously you will also need an ink pad to use the stamp. Now I used our names on the books, but it made me think of the endless possibilities. I mean, you could do it for Christmas and write the words like believe or Merry Christmas on it. You could use it for all the different seasons and just write different stuff. And if you don't want to be a season specific book, you could even do things like eat, love, pray, all that kind of stuff, you know, so it's endless and I'm sure I'll be doing more of these as time goes by. Now, also the other thing you're going to need is books. The ones I used for this one are actually what I call ugly books. I said to my husband, can you go and look in your ugly bookshelf and find me 3 books that are sort of A5 sort of size, and then that you don't mind me putting this on. He can still access the books if he really wants. These are not glued or anything like that. So I've just picked this one up just to show you, just to give you an example. So let me show you how it's done. there you go. Now you can, depending on the size of the book, you guys can see you can trim the side so it matches the book exactly. I did not do that on these. There is a little bit of a give, but I think that works just fine. But you're more than welcome to do so, or you can even slightly fold them so they're tucked into like that. There you go. And then all you do is you take the rope, and I got this one out as well to show you, like at Christmas time you could possibly use this, but all you do then is take a bit of rope and wrap it around. Now if you don't want to have the bow like I do in this one, you could just do something like that and tie it at the bottom, or you can do the bow on top. And there you are. Such a simple thing, so cute. And I mean, just think, you could potentially give these out as presents. If you wanted, you could make the books inside a little bit special. Find a book that means something to that person and then gift it like that. And that's it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.